Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very interesting coffee table arrangement. For those who've seen the last video, which is me making the door wreath that I have here in my hand, but I want to show you how you can make with the same technique a very interesting table center. If you want to know how I got to make it this far, look at the link here and you'll see the previous video. And that'll show you exactly how I made this one. Basically, it's a circular wreath with natural green and decorations of your choice. I'll have some interesting candles that I want to put in it, but I want to raise the candles a little bit because they'll sink in quite deep. So I'll use a little bit of slice of wood underneath it, and actually that looks really nice, so I might actually raise the whole circle a little bit. See what that looks like. I give an extra one in the middle. So I've added on the slices of wood underneath it. First of all, in the middle I have two layers to get my base for my candle slightly higher, which you'll see in the middle. But also on the outside, it adds in a little bit of dimension on it. You see the natural color of the ribbon picking up on the wood. And what works so beautiful is the red berries and the red carpet that I especially got for this season, just to brighten it all up. Now I have those beautiful candles. These are locally made here in Kilkenny, in Bennettsbridge, by Motto Flame, and I love these candles. But you can take any nice large candle, and I have gone for the really rich burgundy color. I think it looks really nice with all my natural pine cones, the red berries I have, the gold detail in the ribbon, and your natural green. And this way you can get, from the same technique as you use for your door wreath, a beautiful table center. And with candles like that, that would easily last you throughout the whole season. To finish off, I'm just going to add on a few more baubles. You see how beautifully they match the candles. They're real glass baubles. I'd never use plastic ones. The difference is just enormous. You can see this. But the glass baubles, the same as I had on the wreath, and I'm just loosely lining them in here around my candle to give it a bit more volume. Trying not to burn my hands while I do it. So there you have it, from a door wreath to a table centerpiece. The candles are loose. Obviously keep an eye on the candles when you have them burn, because one candle will heat the other one. So if you're right up against each other, what will happen is this candle will burn this one and they won't burn even. So give them a little bit of space. And if your fireplace gets too high, too hot behind it, you may have to be careful, maybe turning the whole display from time to time. So if you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, keep coming back for our videos, and leave a comment. Tell me if you like it. Any other ideas, we'll put them up as soon as possible. Happy Christmas and have fun decorating.